back here with the 230 Factor. Move to the big deal which is brewing in the global IT space, and that is Dell's attempt to acquire Pero Systems for $3.9 billion. Now remember, this is at a substantial premium to the last closing price of Pero Systems, so that's about 68% premium. And just to give you an idea of comparison, the last big deal which happened between HP acquiring EDS was at a 32% premium. So this is substantially higher, double that amount, and spells again lucrative upgrades possibly for the services sector, something that India is proud of and has enough capability. To give us that analyst perspective on this big deal and how it impacts IT companies here, we're joined by Deeptharoop Chakrabarti, Principal Analyst at Gartner. Deeptharoop, afternoon, thanks for joining in. Let's start with what you make of the deal in its entirety. First, just the global deal at a huge premium to the price for Pero Systems, 68% premium. Is Dell paying enough? Do you see substantial amount of improvement in the global landscape to justify this price?
Well, I do not want to comment exactly on the price because that's not my area of expertise, but I would like to say that Dell definitely is extremely keen to get into the services space because for the last 5 years, Michael Dell has been talking in various forums across the globe. In fact, at one stage he even said that he would like to commoditize consulting, exactly what he did with hardware. So given that passion for services and given the fact that they compete with an HP and IBM and Fujitsu all being in hardware as well as services, it makes eminent sense for Dell to do that and offer the price that they felt was right price.
So Deeptharoop, just the price aspect, I understand that you can't talk about details there, but has there been a huge shift in the environment for IT since the last deal I mentioned was HP EDS took place? So you just see such amount of improvement in terms of optimism of the global growth scenario, and therefore deals are going to happen at higher prices?
Well, yes, the optimism has increased. We feel that as situations today, that the real recovery, as we call about, will still happen somewhere in Q2 next year. But IT services, by and large, are the slowdown that we see both in India as well as globally. And more importantly is that there is a renewed optimism among their end user clients we have seen, projects which were either cancelled or postponed are being brought forward in some manner. So there is a renewed optimism, definitely.
Deeptharoop, to your mind, how does this impact the IT services space here in India? Because some of this deal pricing, as well as the fact that it's going to percolate into the IT services sector as an upgrade, something that we have quality companies in.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the last part of your question.
Right. I'm just wondering, will this deal also mean a substantial upgrade on the IT services space, and particularly Indian companies in that? Because, you talked about Dell wanting to amp up its services arena. Previously as well, we've seen bulking up of services from IBM and HP. So do you see IT services and IT companies here in India get a potential upgrade if this deal potentially goes through?
Yeah, I think they will be viewed more favorably. IT industry themselves, I think, would perhaps look at it as a missed opportunity, because I'm sure pretty much that few IT services companies in India too would have perhaps looked at acquiring a company like Pero Systems. So that's a missed opportunity. But at the same time, it gives a renewed positive outlook towards the Indian IT services company. And one thing I would like to mention over here, see, Pero Systems is global #1 in healthcare. Healthcare is the second largest growing services across the globe, IT services across the globe. So which automatically indicates, perhaps shifting a little bit from your question, but it automatically indicates that it is something which gives Dell a huge leverage in the healthcare space.
Okay, that's an interesting remark coming in, Deeptharoop. Thanks very much indeed for the perspective. So Deeptharoop, they're saying that it makes sense for the healthcare vertical as well to get a little bit of a fill-up, as Pero Systems is the global leader in that space. We'll take a quick break at this point, come back though with the global markets. Strength seen across Europe as I speak, and remember there was a huge upgrade from the ADB on the ex-Asia growth forecast.